Flood victims in Steuben County are still pushing through and trying to recover after the flooding caused by Debbie 2 weeks ago. Our 18 News reporter Stefan Ayanian went to one badly hit area near Canastillo and shows us what people are up against.
It's been 2 weeks since Tropical Storm Debbie took a toll on communities. We spoke to a few homeowners who say they are getting through their recovery little by little. This is the basement of a 2-story house where the owner says almost 6 feet of water came in. I was cautioned not to walk on the floor as I could sink into the mud. A few days after the storm, the owner said his house was listed as condemned due to heavy damage. The foundation of his house had shifted almost 2 inches because of the force of the flood water. Water from Colonel Bill's Creek made its way in the backyard and a tree wedged itself into the bottom of the house. Another homeowner who didn't want to be on camera now has his underpinnings and backyard steps prepared from the damages. It took him more than a day to shovel mud off of his driveway, and 2 of his lawnmowers were retrieved after a 4-day search. He says that workers have been out repairing and clearing out debris at Colonel Bill's Creek for the past 2 weeks. Both homeowners say they will continue to clean up and repair to get through the recovery. In Canastillo, Stefan Ayanian, 18 News.